Did you know you can trace an embroidery pattern onto your fabric without printing it by freezing the image on your iPad? Let me show you how. Start by making sure the image you want to trace is on your iPad. Shameless plug, this is one of my embroidery designs. Then go to Settings, scroll down to Accessibility and click Guided Access. Turn Guided Access on, make sure the accessibility shortcut is on, and then choose Passcode Settings. Choose Set Guided Access Passcode. I just chose 111111, so it's nice and simple, and this doesn't override your main lock code or anything. Turn your screen brightness all the way up and then open the image you want to trace either in your Photos app or in a PDF viewer, and then line your embroidery up. You may need to zoom in or out on the image to get it the right size. When you're ready, hit the home button 3 times and this will start guided access. Pop in your passcode and then hit the options button on the bottom left. Make sure that touch is turned off and then hit start or resume at the top right. Then it's time to trace. I find it's easiest to keep my fabric in the hoop, but the other way around to normal so the hoop can sit flush against my iPad. And that's it. I didn't film me sewing, but here's the finished result.